Hi guys, it's Minai's mum here. So guys, it's still quite early in the morning, it's about 8:30, and I really wanted to shoot this video just to get Minai's reaction because I have a huge surprise for her, guys. I am so excited to show Minai the surprise and to catch her reaction. So yesterday, I received a package for Minai. After seeing what the package was, I thought, you know what, I'm not going to show Minai yesterday, I'm going to show her today just so I can record her reaction. Guys, this is what Minai received from YouTube. I will see you guys soon once Minai's up for her to finally open the box, guys. Wakey, wakey. Minai.
Mommy, no, because it's Easter holiday, I can sleep as much as I want.
Yeah, but Minai, it's like 9 o'clock now. You need to wake up because you have to have breakfast and you still have to do some work. Yeah? I thought it'd be nice to show them your quarantine morning routine.
Oh, yeah, okay.
A few minutes later.
So, this is my toothbrush. I have a new toothbrush now. So guys, this is the white toothbrush is mine that I use for my tongue always, never my electric toothbrush. I think it was not long ago I pranked my dad by saying I put his toothbrush in the toilet. My daddy was like, oh, I don't even know how to explain it, but he was like, so you put it back in. It looks like he was about to slap me. And I said, why would I ever do that? And he said, because you always get up to stupid stuff.
Yeah, that's what Minai does. Calm down, you don't want your tongue to bleed, Minai, goodness.
Well, that's why I brush my tongue all the time.
Alright.
I'm going to change it to my gym clothes. And I'll see you once I'm in my gym clothes, guys. See you. So, you don't have to really buy any clothes. Like, you can just wear, like, leggings and just a top or a vest top that you have. Just wear it, guys, because you don't have to spend your money. So, don't ask your parents to buy you some new exercise clothes. Only if you really need them. You don't even have leggings, but I doubt it. You guys don't have leggings. Anyways, this is my mat. Me and Preston do Fortnite dances. So the Fortnite dances are workout and warm up, and after that we're gonna do our stretching. So let's start. Guys, this is the Fortnite dances that me and Preston do too, because it's really fun and it makes me feel very energetic and really awake. So let's start and do it. So guys, it's time for us to cool down. I'm sweating a lot. We're going to do some stretches.
And I think we need to get some water to drink.
Yes. Right? So guys, we're going to do some stretching right now. That's going to be it for the exercise. So let's do it right now. 3, 2, 1, go. That's on time. 3, 2, space out. Hold it in. And focus on one thing. Well done! I can't do that. I can't do that. That's it for the exercise. And we're gonna have our breakfast.
Yeah, so just sit down while I get the breakfast ready because I've got a surprise for you, Minai.
Me?
Yeah.
For me too. Is it because I've done my work?
It's a big surprise.
Is it for me too? Is it?
Yeah, you're going to enjoy it too, Flexing, but it's for Minai.
What is it, Mum?
Don't worry, you'll find out later on.
No, but I please just tell me.
No, but if I tell you now, the surprise will be ruined. So you and Flexing get the mat ready, and Flexing,
yeah,
you're going to enjoy the surprise ready as well.
I'm getting the mat ready.
Stop being silly, Minai. Get off.
I've done my mat. How does it look, Mommy?
Crazy. Now get out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I've just finished making breakfast. The kids are sitting down to eat. And I think this is a perfect time to go and surprise Minai with the package. So I've got it right here. And I can't wait to see her reaction. So let's go and surprise her. You ready for your surprise?
Okay, yeah.
I've got it right behind me here. What do you think it is?
An iPhone.
No, Minai, it's not an iPhone. It's better than an iPhone.
Are you sure? A limousine outside waiting for me.
Minai, we're in quarantine. There is no limousine waiting for you outside.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think it is?
Sweets.
Sweets. None of those free things that you get.
So it's a Lamborghini.
No, it's not a Lamborghini, and I don't have money for a Lamborghini. All right, just close your eyes, and then I'm gonna show you what it is. Okay,
It's a vegetables.
Minai. All right, I'm gonna count to 3, and then I'm gonna ask you to open your eyes. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Where's
One.
the water?
2, 3. Open your eyes.
Is that what I think it is? It's in my YouTube plan. Okay, no, I'm not ready yet. Because I need to get my outfit ready for the day. And I can't be seen like this. I'm going to wear my clothes that I'm not supposed to wear. Because of this quarantine, I'm going to wear some special clothes. I'm not going to open this yet until I wear something good, wear makeup, and wear good.
Wear what? Makeup?
Yes.
You don't wear makeup, Minai. You're 9 years old. You're getting ahead of yourself.
I'm going to have a bath because I need to look fresh. And after I'm going to put my clothes. And after I'm going to pick out clothes. What should I wear, guys?
Where you going with that?
I'm going to take it to the bathroom.
Minai, no, you don't need to take it to the bathroom.
I'm going to take it everywhere. Excuse me, please.
Oh my gosh. Minai.
A few minutes later.
So I've just finished having a wash. And I really love my outfit. It may look too fancy because I am wearing white trousers. And a winter top. And I've put my hair up. And I'm just wearing my home slippers because what's the point of even wearing any like shoes or high heels or anything? I just put some gloss on, not lip gloss. So guys, I'm so excited to open my YouTube platform. I am so happy that I can't even speak. Like, I've lost my words already because this is for you guys, Mimi Squad. And thanks to the Mimi Squad, I got this. This arrived very late, but it's fine. And guys, I really, 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 really appreciate it. I'm going to take you guys to the switch room because this space is very small. And I'm going to ask my mom to record me opening this. And I'm really going to take care of it. Because I'm a person who normally breaks a lot of stuff. But this is never going to break. It's my baby moment. I really, 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 really...
Oh my God, Minai. You dropped it.
It's breaking. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I hope it didn't break because it's glass.
Is it glass?
Yes.
Minai, if you break it, you can't get another one. You know that, right? YouTube is not going to send you another plaque.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not breaking. Please, 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 please.
Oh my God, Minai. Just be careful with that knife. Oh my God. Minai, if it's broken, that's it.
I know, that's it. Really?
Is it broken, Minai? Minai. Minai.
Oh my god, it's broken! I can't believe it! Oh my god, I broke it!
Minai, are you sure it's broken?
Yes! And this is for the Mimi School. Check for
Oh
yourself.
my God, Minai. Minai, that was not funny. Is it broken or not? Because I can't see.
It's not broken. Yay!
Minai, Right, Minai, be careful, because if that falls on the floor while it's not in the packet, I think it's actually going to break.
Yes, well.
What does it say?
It says presented
Yes.
to It's Minai
Wow.
for passing 100k subscribers.
Wow. Oh my
YouTube.
God, look at that.
You
That
guys
is
are-
so
and look
pretty.
how
What colour is
pretty
it?
It's silver.
Of course it's silver. It's the silver play button. What kind of question did I just ask?
Ah.
What else did it come with?
It came with a letter.
From YouTube. Are you going
Yes.
to read it out?
Yes,
Okay, go on then. What does it say?
YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTubers creators accomplish.
Wow.
You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe. Wait, 100,000 people subscribe to your channel.
What? What?
Perseverance. Probably a healthy sense of humour too.
Yeah, you are quite funny. Even though I don't think your pranks are funny on me.
Well, it is. What
That's what you think.
you've accomplished can't be taken away from you.
That's true, Malai. Did you hear that?
Yes.
It said what you've accomplished cannot be taken away from you.
And we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect.
Wow.
Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem long way off, right? But closer than you think.
Wow, but I imagine that when you get 1 million subscribers, do you think Mimi Squad can do it?
I believe in Mimi Squad all the time.
So how can I help you get to 1 million subscribers? What do you think?
Always putting a notification bell on and sharing my videos. Victory done. Mimi Squad. Mimi Squad.
How are you going to give back to the Mimi Squad, Minai?
By doing a giveaway.
Minai's going to give one of her match away to the giveaway winner.
Guys, if you go onto my about page, you'll see my money.
And also, what are you going to do?
I don't really know what to give away, so I'm gonna let you guys tell me what to give away to you. And guys, since YouTube has turned off all the kids' comments, go on to my Instagram, follow me, and tell me what you guys want me to give away.
Alright, so what is your Instagram?
It's Minai_. So guys, where should I put my YouTube plat? Shall I put in the living room? Shall I put in my bedroom? Shall I put in the corridor? Comment down below. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, we're waiting for us free hitting now. Don't forget to put a notification bell on Mimi Squad, because lots of you aren't getting my videos, and I'm going to be doing a lot of pranks and stuff on you, Mum. So watch out.
What?
Guys, I really love you. You'll always be in here. And yes, just for you guys. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Love you, Mimi Squad. Bye.